So to create something similar to the up mode that we had happening with the live Arpeggiator before, what we'll do is we'll just shorten up all of our notes and we'll just duplicate these like so. So basically we've still got the same sort of step thing happening, but we're just setting it all up manually, as you can see. Just move that note across. So let's have a listen to this one. Might even just shift those up a little bit. Fortunately, the preset that we're working with has got a split set up, so the higher notes are actually playing one sound and the lower notes are playing the other sound. If we wanted to make this a little more interesting, we could add a few different extra notes in there, like so. So just modify this one a little. Shorten up this one as well. So it is a little bit more tedious having to do it this way, but you've got as much control as you could possibly want over how the final sound is going to come out. So depending on exactly how complex you want to go with your arpeggiated sounds, you've got a lot of different options to be able to adjust how it's going to work. So, for example, if we hit play, and to give you an idea of how that will sound with a bit of a different tone, we'll just go back to our synth. We might even go back to the plucky sort of sound that we had happening the first time. If we wanted to add a little bit more bounce to that, we might just shorten up these higher notes. As you can see there. And what we'll do is we'll grab hold of our lower notes and we'll just add a few extra ones in there. So that way it's going to be bouncing between the lower and the higher notes, which might give us something a little bit interesting.